Welcome back to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Now, Baby Doge coin, well, being the baby Doge of Doge, is one of those super volatile, cute meme coins out there, which just trades absolutely volatile. Like I say, you see these incredibly big spikes in terms of price, then you get these big pullbacks and corrections. And right now we're sitting in the exact spot where usually we get a correction for this coin. So it kind of makes us think, is this going to go down from here or what's going on? What we do know for sure is Elon Musk just on the 7th of December tweeted out this dog right here. And since we saw this, we then saw basically Baby Doge blast up in price. As we can see from the last few days, it is moving very, very nice. December 7 was when the tweet went out, and since then the price went up massively for Baby Dogecoin. Now, this is one of those things where a lot of, I believe, beginners in the market will perhaps be sort of tempted to FOMO in, and this is where things can become a bit sort of dangerous. I'm not saying for sure it can't go up anymore, but for me personally, I would not be chasing the green candles when there were so many opportunities to buy this during the true bear market, where you could have got in here, made a 3x, you could have got in down here, made a 2 point something x, you could have gotten here and made a 4x plus. And I think what we can see from this is that looking at Baby Doge's price structure and momentum and the way it moves is every time that this coin comes down to this kind of region here, it starts to look like a really nice sort of area to be potentially buying in. Anywhere down here between, I'm not going to read out those zeros because that's completely crazy, but just anywhere down there where it's boring, where it's not doing much, anywhere where it's already corrected sort of 70+%. You can see these corrections each time, an 80% correction. The last major time in 2021, there was a huge correction over here, 88%. So these are the times to be accumulating these very volatile meme coins, because the risk potential down there is so much lower. It might just go down like, what, 20%, 10%? Whereas if you buy at these tops, you're at risk of now this coin coming down 85% by the time it hits that bear market. So it's always good to take profits off the table and capitalize on these movements, guys. Now we can see this meme coin has 2.6 million followers. Definitely one of the biggest sort of meme coins out there. Baby Doge had over $5 billion in spot volume just across the last few days over these kind of popular exchanges. And it does say the world's best meme community. So birthed by fans of the Doge meme community, the primary utility for Baby Doge is building a fun meme community to spread awareness of animal welfare and pet adoption. So everyone likes dogs to some degree, everyone likes animals, cats, so nature is nice, and hence why these coins do well, because they're so relatable. Personally, we just got rejected at the previous all-time high at the 678. We didn't quite get there on this MEXC exchange. It just hit 671, so we were close, but we didn't quite have enough momentum over here, guys. And I guess as a result, we are seeing a bit of a pullback here. When we look at this 1 hour time frame, you can see the level of volatility. I suppose it's also a bit different to last time though, because we are actually starting to consolidate in these times of volatility. You can see we're actually producing a symmetrical triangle here, which is roughly when we had Elon Musk post the dog thing, and then just another massive bit of volatility, and then another pattern. And we can see we're actually getting another pattern here. If we move to the 30-minute time frame, it's almost starting to look like, I don't want to say a bull flag really, but some sort of pennant is being charted here. We can see that we might potentially break out to the upside, but we could equally come down just as quick. So it is super volatile, guys. Please don't be like roped into these very attractive looking green candles, because there were so many opportunities to buy this coin when the market capital was far less. And the actual other crazy thing is that actually by market capital right now is, this Baby Doge coin is at an all-time high. You can see there was so much inflation before where the price was really high in sort of 2022 January. But then in 2022 January, the market cap was not being reported. So I think there was a big increase of circulation, which diluted the token value. What else is going on? Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is my Discord, by the way, which is basically this one right here. We've got over 35,000 members now, so thank you very much. One of the hottest crypto communities you can ever find. Now, we've got alpha calls, we've got trading signals, we've got the whole lot. You can see recently some big wins. AAA buyers got 20 to 30x. We can see we had agent rogue buyers make a 3x early December. We had a late November call cat slap, which went up over 10x as well. So if you're curious to achieve time, location, financial freedom, and really make the most out of this bull market, do check out the Patreon link down below, and we will do our best to help you make crypto gains in this market, to build a stronger portfolio, to make more logical decisions and less emotional ones. Space is very limited, but the link is right down there for you guys to take a little look at it. What else is going on? 78 fear and greed index. The markets are super hot, ravenously hot. People are flooding in still, buying the next thing that's already pumped 10x and just thinking about buying it cluelessly. So yeah, always try to be a bit pragmatic and understand the volatility behind these markets is absolutely real. What else is going on? We can see $3.45 trillion valuation in the crypto space as well. Still tons of volume coming in. We can see on the 30 days, a bit of a pullback from 3.7 trillion. So we've moved down a bit. It doesn't mean we're going to go into a straight downtrend. It could just be a little G wipeout phase where it's basically shaking out some late investors to the market, and then it may continue to the upside as well. In other news, we've got Wall Street Pepe, a new 10 to 100x potential meme coin, which is called Wepe. You can have a little look at this in your own spare time, do a bit of research on it. In 3 days and 2 minutes, the price will go up again. They've now raised a whopping $3.7 million. If you like your meme coins and your Pepe coin alternatives, this could potentially be a really fun one. You've got Chapter 1, Catching the Whales, Chapter 2, The Rich Frog March, Chapter 3, Frog Street Takeover, and Chapter 4 as the fast lane to fortune. You can see a whopping 3.7 million has been raised for this meme coin ICO. You can check it out at the link down below too. And all you need to do is basically hit buy with crypto, convert either MetaMask wallet, Best Wallet, or Coinbase wallet, whichever DeFi hot wallet you prefer to use, and convert your Ethereum or Tether into Wepe tokens, which is basically the token ticker of Wall Street Pepe. So it does look really fun, actually. It looks really cool. You can see it's been audited. They've got a white paper there. So always go out and do your own research, folks. It's very important that you do that. Also, you can see on the Twitter side, they're growing a lot, getting a ton of views. Twitter is now up to 3.4K. So we could get some very nice positive continuation for this particular token right here. So the link is absolutely down below. Please do a bit of research, but remember, never risk more than you can afford to lose, because meme coins are volatile and we don't know what might happen next. So yeah, that's a wrap really. Baby Doge is doing very impressive things, but in my opinion, it's still transient and it will still follow all of historical data and eventually will come down again at some point in time. It just has to. What goes up must come down, although this time round we don't know how much higher it could truly go, but it is still technically in price discovery in terms of its market capitalization. Thanks for watching this 99 Bitcoin YouTube video, and do subscribe if you're new here. Bye bye.